Alright students, welcome back to the important questions in surface areas and volumes. This is question number 2. Let's read the question. Consider a truncated cone. So imagine you have a cone like this and that has been cut. Truncated meaning cut into parts. So this is also called frustum of cone with a slant length L equal to 4 centimeters. This is a slant length we had given, that is 4 centimeters. And perimeters of circular end. So you will have one end circular. It is not elliptical here. It's a circular three-dimensional. So one is the perimeter of this upper end. The other one is the perimeter of the lower end. So the perimeters of circular ends are 18 centimeters, the bigger one, and 6 centimeters, the smaller one. So given these, we need to find the curved surface area of the frustum, only this part of it, curved surface area all around. So let's get into the derivation part of it. So first concept or the formula that we are going to use. Whenever you have a circle, perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. So perimeter of a circular end is 2 pi r. This is one formula we use. The other formula is a curved surface area of the frustum. The derivation I'm not going to look at now. Curved surface area of a frustum is pi into capital R plus small r into the slant length. The derivation, if required, we will do it separately. So these two are the formula we are going to use. Now let us start with what is given. They are given the perimeters of the upper end. 2 pi capital R is 18 centimeters and 2 pi smaller is the perimeter of the lower end, which is 6 centimeters. So given these, we need to find this. So first what we do, we simply add them. At the left hand side, you get 2 pi into capital R plus 2 pi into small r. If you take 2 pi common out, you get 2 pi into small r plus capital R or capital R plus small r. You can write any order, doesn't matter. So the right hand side 18 plus 6 will give you 24 centimeters. So that's what you have, 24 centimeters. But I don't need 2 pi into small r plus capital R. I need pi into small r plus capital R or capital R plus small r, this one. So what I do, I just cancel 2 here. When 2 goes with 12, 2 12s are 24. This is what I have. And then in order to calculate curved surface area, we just have to multiply this pi into small r plus capital R with L, which is slant length. So pi into small r plus capital R has been calculated as 12 centimeters, substitute here. And then slant length they had given 4 centimeters they had given. So 12 centimeter into 4 centimeters, which is going to be 48 centimeters squared, and that's the answer. The curved surface area of the frustum that's given is 48 centimeters squared. Thank you very much.